Hi, welcome to the Aroma Share Club. It is September 2016 and our theme is Clean Flush. And it is all about cleaning your kidneys and your internal organs and making them nice and shiny and bright so that you can be healthier. And right now today we are going to be making a kidney compress. And you need a cotton cloth. The flour sack cloths are the best, and I love that my daughter-in-law puts everything that you need for each Aroma Share Club in her party packs at Essential for Oils. So go to essentialforoils.com and you don't have to look for one of these. Everything that you need is in one convenient package. So there's a plug for her. All right, so you fold this up, and I'm going to start to do this backwards because I have clothes on. And of course you would be doing this, you know, with a pair of shorts or a bathing suit on, something like that, so that you could get to the area of your back where your kidneys are. So we're going to pretend that I'm backwards, and this is my back instead of my front. And you take your cloth, and after you have dipped it in your solution, which I'm going to teach you how to make in a second, then you put it over your kidney area. Remember, this is my back. And then you're going to take saran wrap and put it over it. And you can even wrap the saran wrap all the way around your body, or you could have someone, if you're laying on your tummy, they could just put a strip across here and just sort of seal it on your skin around there. Because what we want to do is hold in that moisture. And then you can put a towel on top of that and a hot water bottle. And the towel is just sort of to help protect in case that you get the hot water bottle a little too hot. And that just drives those essential oils right into your body where they can do what they need to do. So now you just had a lesson on how to do a compress. And guess what? Now that you know how to do it on your back, you can do it on your tummy. You can do it over your uterus. You could do it over your liver, over your pancreas, or vice versa, because I'm reversed. And and you could even do it if you hurt your arm, and you could wrap it around your wrist and use a compress for that. You could use your compress if you have a headache or a fever. Lots of ways to use this, not just for the kidney compress. So this is how you make a solution for a compress of any kind. You need some kind of container and either a bowl that has a nice deep bottom, or a small casserole dish works great. And you need some bath salts, usually about 1 ounce of bath salts per batch that you're going to do. And I have half of the ounce of bath salts in this PET plastic jar here. And I am going to pour in 14 drops of Kidney Health tightly, and you want to shake it up really, really good to get that all mixed in there. Because if you do not get your essential oils mixed up really, really well in your salt before you put them in the water, they just sort of float around there, and you only get essential oils in like drops on there instead of spread out evenly over your cloth. And then I'm going to pour the rest of the salt in here, just up to where the threads are in this little jar. And I put my lid back on. Now, an addition that you can do when you're doing a compress is you could add, I'd say maybe 1 ounce of the plant-derived minerals. You could put that in the water as well, and that would be also a good addition to this. So I'm going to put my salts in here, and then I'm going to pour my water in there. And you'll notice that, you know, if you have good hot water, it dissolves pretty quickly. And I'm just going to stir this around a little bit until I feel that there are no more salt granules. And that could take a few seconds, but I'm not going to take the whole time. It's almost dissolved, actually, so pretty fast. And then you take your cloth, and I like to sometimes fold it in half depending on the size of my dish, and I soak this in here. And you really want it to soak in good throughout all the fibers of your cloth, and then you wring it out wring it out good, and then you put it over your kidneys. Remember, this is my back. And do your plastic and your towel and your hot water bottle. And you can repeat this several times, and you can actually save this water. And if you want to, if you have room in your fridge, you could just put, or you can leave it on the counter really. And I would do this repeatedly every day until all your water's used up. That's a good amount of time to do it, is when your water's all used up. And notice I used only about a pint of water. I didn't put that on your recipe, so I want to just point that out. About a pint of water is all you need in here to do this, and smells really good. So make yourself a compress and make sure, so that you have everything that you need to do every single recipe every month, that you go to Youngevity.com. You click on products, click on essential oils, go to Aroma Share, and go to the auto ship. And if I was you, I would choose the CEO sharing Aroma Share auto ship, because then you'll have all the salts and carrier oils and the plant derived minerals, everything you need to make every recipe every month. And I hope that you have an aromatic day.